Hey my guys, it's been Vanshika and it's been days since I made a makeup video, so I thought that I should be making one because I just felt like it. That I just felt like making things and I do. Now I have this wet tissue and I'm going to clean up anything that is on my face, like anything. Now that it is clean, I will still cleanse it with a milk cleanser because now we will be using moisturizer, hydrates your skin well. We will gently massage on and we will not wipe it off now. We will let it hydrate because I have dry skin, and I will just put it on my eye. Now I have this Forever 52 loose powder. Brush it off on our skin, like you can see the excessive is here, and gently place it on our eyelid using this shade. You can see the shade is very light and darker shade of brown. Up here we have the glitter on our hands, and so I will be doing this same thing here as well. Elegant too. Now I'll just wipe off the extra hydrating primer. It is real good for me. A shimmer setting spray. Concealer palette, it is also from Forever 52 orange color corrector, and I'll place it under my eyes. Two dark shade, like mine is this one, and two-tone dark concealer. My old foundation from Colors Queen, which is like this one is already high coverage, or kabuki brush you can say. Now we don't go like this, we will tap it into our skin. We will be doing our under eyes. Don't worry, we will blend. This is professional. From your ear you will make a shape and then you put it and blend it like this. My face is very thin and with translucent powder. Here's my pizza puff. I've blended out everything as you see. I have the powder. Yeah, exactly like this. So guys, my eyebrows are also completed from here, and we have this butterfly thing. All our highlighting points like this. My makeup is not completed until I put a bindi. I do all the time forgetting my mascara. Like, I don't know what happened to me in YouTube videos. I'll be like, okay, chill, and then I forgot the most important part. This is the type of makeup that you could do anywhere, anytime, and not very lengthy. Party makeup. And I'm glad you watched the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, have a nice day.